Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, we are going to discuss about one of the most volatile and talked about stock, GameStop Corporation, and whatever we may call it. Okay, but the thing is the price is sustaining at or above the breakout level, and that's very important here. So I don't want to talk about what has happened in the company, what are the fundamentals, and what about Reddit and all those things. But I simply keep myself restricted towards the trend. So take it with a pinch of salt and don't think beyond the trend. Okay, this is simply about the trend and trend analysis, and there is nothing about how the what will happen, what should be the company's management decision and all those things. But the most important thing here is the stock is holding at or above $57 and $67. These are the two most important resistance level which the stock breaks out successfully in the year 2021. Now, because it successfully sustaining above these two levels, and although it is quite evident that the stock is very much volatile, or I would say it's very volatile, so do take your you know eyes on the level in between which it is moving right now. Otherwise, you will in problem. Why I am saying this? Because of the volatility. The volatility is very high, and this kind of trends works on both the side, because if you are lucky enough you will make lots of money, but if you are not you will lose the same. So that's why it's very important to understand the situation before taking any such decisions on the upside or on the downside. Now, talking about the current trend, what we have here right now is simply like this. So you can see a line like this which will work as a resistance level, and on the downside you have some support line like this which is evolving and which has been changing. Okay, so here we are, and one more to go like this. So the thing is, there is no pinpoint accuracy about the turnaround level or from which the stock is going to fall on the downside. There is a probability. So here the stock has taken support at $129. So this is our first point of reference, and this will be our first support, because if the stock falls below $129 in the short term, you will have your next support at 96.99, and afterwards your big support will come at $42 on the downside. So be very careful about the levels you are looking at and what is your entry and exit point. Now, because it started moving from $129, it's not 129 actually, this is around 132. Okay, because it started moving from this level, the first target that we are going to look at will be $270, and once it successfully cross $270, because this is the resistance line, then only we can look for two more specific targets, $355 and $519 respectively. So things are on the cards, but it is on both the sides, so things can work out positively as well as on the negative side. So that's why I'm saying that do keep your eye on the levels, and more specifically, if the trend is not sustaining, there is no point keeping your eyes on this particular stock. Move on to other stock. That will be my suggestion in this case, because the stock is a very volatile one, and looking at the trend, it works out on both the ways. So be very mindful of the levels, and if you don't understand, there are thousands of stock trading in the market. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.